Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to upgrade on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, products, community, email, audience, sale, and in the top right corner we have your profile and messages. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and upgrade on Podia. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically here, as you can see, I have a free trial and you have 30 days left on your free trial on the Shaker plan, or free plan, whatever you want to call it. Just click upgrade here. Then here you'll have plans. So change plan, choose the right plan for you. We have the mover or shaker. So as you can see, you have the benefits from both plans, which you can go and check out and see which one is more suitable for you. As you can see, the only thing that is of course the difference is that here in the mover, you don't have PayPal payments, affiliate marketing, and Zapier actions, which you have here. So you can click choose plan, whichever you want, of course buy it, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, till the next video, bye guys.